In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use related databases in Notion for tasks. We'll walk through a simple, practical setup so you understand exactly what's happening as you click around and why it's useful for managing your tasks. Start by opening the Notion page that contains the database you want to work with. This might be your main task list, a projects database, or any other table-style database you've already created. Make sure you're in the database view, not just on a single page. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your columns like name, status, due date, and so on. At the top of the database, look for the section where your existing properties or columns are listed. On the right-hand side of these column headers, you'll see an option that says Add Property. Go ahead and click on Add Property. This is where you define new columns that can hold different types of information, like text, numbers, dates, and in our case, relations. Once you've clicked Add Property, Notion will open a menu where you choose the type of property you want to add. From this list, find and click on Relation. The relation property is what lets you connect this database to another database in your workspace. It's especially powerful for tasks because it allows you to link each task to things like projects, clients, areas of responsibility, or even meeting notes stored in separate databases. After you click on Relation, Notion will show you a list of databases you can connect to. This is the moment where you select which database you want your task to relate to. For example, if you're in a tasks database and you want to link each task to a specific project, you would select your projects database here. Take your time and carefully choose the appropriate database from the list. Once you've selected it, Notion will create a new column in your current database. Each row in this column will allow you to pick one or more entries from the related database you chose. That's what turns your simple task list into a more powerful, connected system. From here, you can start using that relation column to connect individual tasks to the relevant items in your other database, keeping everything organized and easy to navigate.